Hello friends, today I'll show modeling of a simple mechanical component using SolidWorks. This is exercise number 9 for the basic beginners, and we're planning to draw from these two concentric circles. This part will be drawn first, then from there we'll move to left side, then finally we draw the bottom part. Okay, so initially I'm drawing two concentric circles of diameter 30 and 55 millimeter, and that to be extruded backside with the extrude thickness of 36 millimeter. Okay, let's get started. Starting from part, it is seen that basic unit is millimeter gram second, which is seen at the bottom right corner, right? So we excluding this millimeter gram second, we are having different units like MK, CGS, IPS, etc. But we are taking millimeter gram second only, right? Okay, thank you. So as told before, we're starting from the front plane normal 2. So first of all, we have to draw the location of the center points, right? We start with center line. Two center lines will be there to get the location of the circle. So, done. Next, we have to draw two concentric circles. Let's see their diameter. It is 30 millimeter and 55 millimeter. Okay, let's first smart dimension to that one. And 55 millimeter. Drawing is complete, so green check and exit from the sketch. Again select the sketch and features, extrude boss base, and that to be extruded from the middle plane, and extrude depth equal, let's say it is I think 36 millimeter, extrude depth equal to 36 millimeter from the mid plane. So green check, and if you see the drawing again, you can see that we have to start this left part from the front plane only, right? So we have to make it tangent from the cylindrical part and we have to start drawing. Okay, so taking the front plane again, normal 2. We can drag this plane a little bit. That is not necessary, of course. That means we are drawing on the same plane, is that right? Next one, we have to make some central line. That is from here to draw tangents, right? Start sketch to be tangent with this cylindrical part. Move down a little bit, move horizontally. Initially we are drawing without any dimension, and finally we'll provide smart dimension. Okay, done. Next we have to provide some smart dimension. You can see the distance from here to the down portion is equal to 100 millimeter, right? You can see the drawing again. From here to down it is 100 millimeter. This point 100 millimeter. Again from this end, this center point of this one to the end of this one equal to how much it is? Center point to the end equal to, you can see 140 minus 50 equal to 90 millimeter. Okay, and from here to here is how much it is? 38 plus 20, 58. Distance from here to the end of this circular part equal to 38 plus 20 equal to 58, right? Okay, smart dimension, this line equal to 58 millimeter. And this one equal to 100 millimeter. Done. Okay, now we can do something here. Some fillet will be there, right? and also the distance from here to the end point is equal to 90 millimeter. So we take distance from here to the end of this one equal to 90 millimeter. So start from start dimension, this horizontal line, this vertical line, and this point equal to 90 millimeter. Done, right? Next one, you have to draw some fillets. So exit from the smart dimension, take the lines and draw fillet of here at this point equal to, here fillet radius is 25 millimeter and here it will be 20 millimeter. Okay, let's get it. It is done. Now again here one circle should be done of diameter 18 millimeter. Smart dimension, done. This length should be equal to 140 millimeter. And again from here it should be tangent to this circle. To make a tangent line, we can provide the relation that this line should be tangent to the circle. So select the line, you can check. Now we have to close this drawing. That means this portion is required, right? We have to make an arc. This is done. So exit from the sketch, select the sketch again, features, extrude boss base, and extrusion thickness is 12 millimeter from the mid plane. Done. Right? Okay. Next one, again here at this position we have to draw two concentric cylinders. Okay, let's take the plane normal to. We have to draw two concentric cylinders, right? So we have to draw circles. Exit from the sketch, select the sketch again, features, extrude boss base, and that should be extruded 12 millimeter in the front side. You can check. Done. Right, now one thing is remaining, so bottom part should be made, right? Normal to sketch, lines. We have made a rough sketch. Now what to put smart dimension to that one, right? So smart dimension, and here in this case we can put some relations that this one and that one should be equal and these two are equal, right? We can put some relations. Okay, let's put relation at the beginning. We have already provided relations to this one. Now we have to provide smart dimension to that. Let's see the drawing again. This 18, 18 and 3, and total is 85 millimeter. So this one will be 18 millimeter. This is also 18. And this part is 3 millimeter. And the total distance in between them equal to 85 millimeter. So this part and that part equal to 85 millimeter. So drawing is complete. So green check and exit from the sketch. Select the sketch again and that we extruded to a depth of 140 millimeter. So features extrude boss base to a depth of 140 millimeter. That should be backside only. So change the direction 140 millimeter. Green check. Yeah, drawing is ready, right? Now another thing remaining, that is at the bottom of this base we have to provide 2 circles, right? So select the plane normal to. Let's draw the circles at random without any dimension. One circle, another circle drawn. Now let's find relation to these 2 circles. Both are having same radius. Now let's provide smart dimension to that one. The distance between the circles equal to 70 millimeter. And from this line to the center equal to 30 millimeter. Let's see how much it is. 35 millimeter from this side, and from this edge it is 30 millimeter. Okay, so here to here is 35 millimeter. And again distance from here to that one equal to 30 millimeter. So our drawing is complete. So green check, exit from the sketch, select the sketch again and features extrude cut. And while cutting this one, we should take the plane as up to next. Green check, drawing is complete, right? Now to have a better view, what we can do, one thing, like we can change the appearance to a metallic one. Brush, polish brush. Okay, this is fine. And to have better look, you can change the background also a little bit. It will be plain white. Okay, fine. Let's find the isometric view. Okay, this is our final drawing, right? So this is a very simple one, and this is for the beginners who are learning SolidWorks, right? This is exercise number 9. This is a very simple one, and through this model we learned a little bit of extrude boss base, extrude cut, and changing the plane. At the same time we learned some relations and fillet also, right? Thank you so much for watching this video.